So welcome students. Here exercise 3.6 question number 1. In that first portion, solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So we have to solve these equations, that is we have to find out the value of x and y by reducing these equations into pair of linear equation. So first we have to reduce it to pair of linear equation, then afterwards we have to find out the value of x and y. Here the x and y variables are in the denominator, so that we can assume here, that is assumption let 1 by x is equal to p we will assume, and 1 by y is equal to q we will assume. So in this way we can write this equation as, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by x, like this we can write, that is 1 by 2x can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Okay, so here 1 by x we have assumed as p, 1 by y we have assumed as q. So 1 by 2 into p plus 1 by 3 into q is equal to 2. So here this can be written as p by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2. So now we can take LCM, 3 2 is 6, 3p plus 2q is equal to 2. This is cross multiplication. So 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. So this we can call it as equation 1. So in the same way, this one we can write as 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 divided by 6. So here 1 by x we will substitute as p and 1 by y we will substitute as q. So 1 by 3 p plus 1 by 2 q is equal to 13 divided by 6. So here p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 divided by 6. So here 6 is the LCM. So 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 divided by 6. So here cross multiplication. So 6 into 13 and 6 into this factor. So 6 into so here 6 into 2 12, that is 12p plus 6 3 is 18q is equal to 13 6 is 6 3 is 18 1 6 1 78. Whole equation can be divided by 6, so that 6 2 is, that is 12. So 2p plus 3q, okay, is equal to 6 1 is 6 3 is. So this we can call it as equation 2. So here one equation is 3p plus 2q equal to 12. Second equation will be 2p plus 3q equal to 13. So we will write these equation and we will solve for p and q values. So here 3p, so after this I will write here first equation 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. So second equation 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. This can be solved by any of the algebraic method, that is substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. So this can be solved now by elimination method. So this whole equation can be multiplied with 2 and this equation can be multiplied with 3, so that this p coefficient will become equal. So this whole equation, okay. So now 3 into 2 6p plus 4q is equal to 12 into 2 24. So 3 into 2 6p plus 9q is equal to 13 3 is 39. Okay, these two equations we can subtract, say minus minus and minus. 6p gets cancelled. So 4q minus 9q, here 9 minus 5q is equal to minus 5 and 1. So q is equal to minus 15 divided by minus 5. So 5 3s are. So q is equal to 3. Q value we got it. This we can substitute, put q value in equation, any one of the equation, that is equation 1. So here 3p plus 2 into 3, that is q value will be 3, is equal to 12. So 3p is equal to 12 minus 3 2 is 6. So 3p is equal to 6. P is equal to 6 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So p is equal to 2. So this is the p value. So after getting this p and q value, what we have to do? We have assumed here. So here we have assumed that 1 by x is equal to p. So we got p value and we got q value, so that we can calculate the x value. That is 1 by x is equal to p means 2. So x is equal to what? 1 by 2. This is one value. So Here 1 by y is equal to what? Q. So y is equal to 1 by 3, cross multiplication. So here x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. These are the values. Okay, we will go for next one. So here solve the pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Same thing what we have done in the last question. So here again we will assume let 1 by root x is equal to p and 1 by root y is equal to q. Like this we will make assumption. 2 divided by root x can be written as 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y is equal to 2. So 1 by root x can be substituted as, that is p, and 1 by root y is equal to q. So 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. This is one equation. So in the same way you can consider this one, 4 into 1 by root x plus minus 9 into 1 by root y is equal to minus 1. So 1 by root x we will substitute as p, 1 by root y is equal to q. So 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. So this is equation number 2. So we will write equations here, that is 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. So 4p minus 9q equal to minus 1. By observing these two equations, we will make any one of the coefficient of the variable will be equal, so that we can use elimination method. So this equation can be multiplied with 2, so that this will become 4 and this is 4. So this equation will be equal to 4p plus 6q is equal to 4. And this equation I will write as it is, 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. So here we will subtract this one. So this is minus, this is plus, and this is also plus. So 4p minus 4p cancel, 6q plus 9q. So 15q is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. So q is equal to 5 divided by 15. So q is equal to 1 by 3, because 5 ones are 5 threes are. So this is q is equal to 1 by 3. So this q value we will substitute in any one of the equation. So substitute q value in equation 1. Okay, this is the equation 1. 2p plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So 3 gets cancelled. 2p is equal to 2 minus 1. This is remaining is 1 that we have sent to RHS. So 2p is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 by 2. So p is equal to 1 by 2. So now see 1 by root x, what we have assumed, this is equal to p we have assumed. Okay, so p is equal to 1 by 2. We will substitute here 1 by 2. So here cross multiplication, root x is equal to 2. Okay, then squaring both sides here. So root and square will be gets cancelled. So x is equal to 4. 2 square will be 4. In the same way, 1 by root y is equal to, q means 1 by 3. So root y is equal to 3. And squaring both sides, so this will be square. So y is equal to 3 square means this is 9. Okay. So the x is equal to 4, y is equal to 9. So we will go for next one. So here 3.6 question number 1. In that third portion, solve the pair of equations by reducing them to pair of linear equations. So again here let 1 by x is equal to p, and here y is equal to q we will assume, so that it will be easy to solve. So here first consider this equation, that is 4 into 1 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. Like this I have written. This 1 by x I will substitute with p. So 4p plus 3q is equal to 14. This is one equation. Okay. Now see this equation, 3 into 1 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. So here 3p minus 4q equal to 23. This is second equation. So we will write first equation, 4p plus 3q equal to 14. Second equation will be 3p minus 4q is equal to 23. So here observe these equations. So coefficients of these variables are not equal here. So for that we will multiply this equation with 3 and we will multiply this equation with 4. So that what happens, 3 4s are 12 and here also 3 4s are 12. So p coefficient will become equal. So that we can subtract. So 3 4s are 12p plus 9q is equal to 42. Okay. So this is 12p minus 16q is equal to 92. So here we will subtract this one, minus plus minus here. This is cancelled. So 9q plus 16q is equal to what? 25q is equal to, so minus 92. Okay, minus 92 and 42 here. So this is 50, minus 50. So q is equal to minus 50 divided by 25. So q is equal to minus 2. This is minus. Okay, q is equal to minus 2. So now substitute q value in equation 1. So here equation 1 is 4p. This is 4p plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 14. So 4p minus 3 to the 6 is equal to 14. 4p 14 plus 6. P is equal to 20 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 5s are. So P is equal to 5. Okay. So now whatever we have assumed, 1 by x is equal to P we have assumed. So 1 by x is equal to P means 5. So x is equal to 1 by 5. X goes here and 5 comes here. So x is equal to 1 by 5. So here y is equal to q we have assumed. So here whatever q value will be there, that will become y. So y is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 1 by 5, y is equal to minus 2. These are the solutions. So here also 3.6 question number 1 in that fourth portion. So here also whatever the denominator portion 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2, these we will assume. So let 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to p and 1 divided by y minus 2 we will assume as a q. We can substitute here. So 5 into 1 divided by x minus 1, in this way we can write. So plus 1 divided by y minus 2. So is equal to 2. So here instead of this 1 by x minus 1, we will write as p. 5 into p plus q is equal to 2. This is the equation number 1. So this one, so here also 6 into 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So instead of 1 by x minus 1, we will write as p and 1 by y minus 2 equal to q here. So here this is 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. So this is second equation. So I will write here equations 5p plus q is equal to 2. So 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. So here any one of the coefficient can be made equal. So this equation I will multiply with 3 here, only this equation. So that what happens, this will become 3q. Okay. So that this 3q and this 3q, we can add these equations so that these will be gets cancelled. So here, so I will multiply with 3. 3 5s are 15. 15p plus 3q is equal to 6. And this equation I will write as it is. So 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. So these two equations I will add. So add means these two will be gets cancelled. So 15 plus 6, 21p is equal to 7. So p is equal to 7 divided by 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So p is equal to 1 divided by 3. So substitute p value in equation 1. Okay, this is the equation. 5 into p means 1 by 3 plus q is equal to 2. So here q is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3, because this 5 by 3 will be goes to the RHS side. So now LCM we will take. Q is equal to 3 is the LCM. 3 2 is 6 minus 5. So q is equal to 1 by 3. So p is equal to also 1 by 3 and q is equal to 1 by 3. So now we will substitute here. 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to p means what? 1 by 3. Okay, cross multiplication here. X minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 1. X is equal to 4. This is the x value. So in the same way, here 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to y minus 2 equal to q. Q is 1 by 3. So y minus 2 is equal to 3 here. So y is equal to 3 plus 2. So y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Okay, we will go for next one. So this is 3.6 question number 1 in that fifth portion. So here you observe this one, 7x minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 5. So here this can be written as 7x divided by xy minus 2y divided by xy, okay, is equal to 5. So here x gets cancelled, y get cancelled. So this can be written again as 7 divided by y minus 2 divided by x is equal to 5. Okay, this is one. So in the same way, this can be written as 8x divided by xy plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 15. So this is equal to x gets cancelled, y gets cancelled, 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Okay, so now we will assume, let 1 by x is equal to p, 1 by y is equal to q. Okay, so I will start from here. So this one 7 by y can be written as 7 into 1 by y minus 2 into 1 by x is equal to 5. Okay, so here 1 by y can be written as q, 7q minus 2p is equal to 5. This is one equation. So in the same way, second one, 8 into 1 by y plus 7 into 1 by x is equal to 15 is there. So here 8 into q plus 7p is equal to 15. This is second equation. Okay, see here 7q, 8q, 2p, 7p, all are not equal. So we will make it equal. So here I will write the equations 7q minus 2p is equal to 5, one equation, 8q plus 7p is equal to 15. So this equation we will multiply with 8. Okay, and this equation I will multiply with 7. So 7 8 56q plus q minus 16p is equal to 8 5 40. So this can be written as 56q, here 7 7 49, 49p plus 49p is equal to 7 5 35, 3 7 1 105. So here we will subtract these equations. So minus 56q cancel. So minus 49 65, this is 65p. Okay, this is minus is equal to minus, this is also 105 minus 40 means 65. So p is equal to minus 65 divided by minus 65. So here p is equal to 1. That is minus gets cancelled. So 65 ones are 65 ones. So this p value we will substitute p value in equation. So here substitute p value in equation 1. So equation 1 is 7q minus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. So 7q is equal to 5 plus 2. So q is equal to 7 divided by 7. So q is equal to 1. Okay, we got p is equal to 1, q is equal to 1. So now we will substitute here, because we have assumed that 1 by x is equal to p. So 1 by x is equal to p means 1. So x is equal to 1. So here 1 by y is equal to q, we have assumed q is 1. So y is equal to 1. So here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Okay, we will go for next one. So here 3.6, question number 1 in that sixth portion. So 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. See here, this is also same as we have done in the last question. See here, xy is here. So we will divide whole equation by xy. Okay. So divide whole equation by xy. So then what happens? 6x divided by xy plus 3y divided by xy is equal to 6xy divided by xy. So here xy gets cancelled, y gets cancelled, here x gets cancelled. So the equation will be 6y plus 3 divided by x is equal to 6. Okay. So here we will assume, that is, let 1 by x is equal to again p and 1 by y is equal to q. So here 1 by y, this can be written as 6 into 1 by y, plus 3 into 1 by x is equal to 6. So 6q plus 3p is equal to 6. This is one equation. So in the same way, this second equation also whole divided by xy. So here I will write here 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy whole divided by xy. That is 2x divided by xy plus 4y divided by xy is equal to 5xy divided by xy. So xy gets cancelled, y gets cancelled, x gets cancelled. So this will be remain 2 by y plus 4 divided by x is equal to 5. So as per assumptions, this will be 2 into 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by x is equal to 5. So here 1 by y means q, 2q plus 4p is equal to 5. So this is second equation. So I will write equations here. 6q plus 3p is equal to 6, one equation. So 2q plus 4p is equal to 5. Here the coefficient of any variable is not equal. So this equation I will multiply with 3 so that this will become 6. Okay. This one I will write as it is. 6q plus 3p is equal to 6. Okay. This will I will multiply with 3. So 3 into 2 6q plus 3 into 4 12p is equal to 3 5 is 15. So I will subtract these two equations. Minus, minus, minus. This will be gets cancelled. So minus 12p plus 3p. So minus 9p is equal to, this is minus 9. 15 minus 3. 15 minus 6 will be, so 9. So p is equal to minus 9 divided by minus 9. So minus minus 1 sir. So p is equal to 1. Substitute p value in equation 1. So equation 1 is 6 cube plus 3 into 1 is equal to 6. So 6 cube is equal to 6 minus 3. So q is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 divided by 6. So 1, 2. So q is equal to 1 by 2. So we will substitute here. So 1 by x is equal to p means 1. So hence x is equal to 1. So here 1 by y is equal to q. Q means 1 by 2. So here hence y is equal to 2. Okay. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. So we will go for next one. So here 3.6 question number 1 in 7th portion. So here also we will assume let 1 divided by x plus y is equal to p and 1 divided by x minus y is equal to q. Same. Simple it is. So first equation can be written as 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 into 1 divided by x minus y is equal to 4. Okay. So here 10 into 1 by x plus y is p plus 2q is equal to 4. So this is equation 1. So here this one 15 into 1 divided by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. So here this is p. 15 into p minus 5 into q is equal to minus 2. So this is equation number 2. So now I will write this equation, that is 10p plus 2q is equal to 4. So 15p minus 5q is equal to minus 2. See here you can observe here, this is 2, this is 5. So this one I will multiply with 5, this one I will multiply with 2, this whole equation. Okay. So 5 into 10, 50p plus 5 2s are 10q is equal to 5 4s are 20. So 2 into 15, 30p. So minus 10q is equal to minus 4. So these two equations I will add so that these will be gets cancelled. So here 80p is equal to 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Okay, p is equal to 16 by 80. So 4 4s are 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 5s are. So p is equal to 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. So substitute p value in equation 1. Okay. So 10 into p means 1 by 5 plus 2q is equal to 4. Okay. 5 1s are 5 2s are. So 2q. So here 2 plus 2q is equal to 4. So 2q is equal to 4 minus 2. So 2q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. Okay. So now 1 divided by x plus y we have assumed as p, that is equal to 5, 1 by 5. Okay, so now this will be cross multiplied here. So x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, this one 3 equation 3. So here 1 by x minus y is equal to q. Q means what? 1. Okay, here cross multiplication, x minus y is equal to 1. So this is fourth equation. You consider this 3 and fourth equation because we have to solve for x and y value. So we will use any method to calculate this one, that is x plus y. Here x plus y is equal to 5. So x minus y is equal to 1. So these two equations I will add so that this y will be gets cancelled. So 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. So x is equal to 3. Okay, x is equal to 3. So same you can substitute in any equation. So x plus y is equal to 5 means, so y is equal to 5 minus x. So y is equal to 5 minus 3. X value we have substituted. So y is equal to 2. So here x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So here 3.6 question number 1. So in this 8th portion, 1 divided by 3x plus y. Here 1 divided by 3x minus y. So we can assume 1 divided by 3x plus y is equal to p, and 1 divided by 3x minus y is equal to q. Okay, we will substitute here. So p plus q is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4, or otherwise cross multiplication, 4p plus 4q minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, this is one equation. So second one, see 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 3x plus 5. 3x plus y we can write like this. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 divided by 3x minus y, like this we can write. So this is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, this we will substitute for p, this will be q. So 1 by 2 p, that is p by 2. So minus q by 2, okay, is equal to minus 1 by 8. So LCM will take 2, p minus q is equal to minus 1 by 8. So here 8p minus 8q is equal to minus 2. So this can be written as 8p minus 8q plus 2 equal to 0. So this is second equation. See here 8p minus 8q, this is equal to minus 2, this becomes plus 2. So this is second equation. This is first equation. So I will write here first equation, 4p plus 4q minus 3 equal to 0. Second equation, 8p minus 8q plus 2 equal to 0. See here, this you can multiply with 2. So that 8p plus 8q minus 6 equal to 0. So this way I will write as it is, 8p minus 8q plus 2 equal to 0. So here this I will add this. So this is 8 plus 8, 16p minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4 equal to 0. 16p is equal to 4. So p is equal to 4 divided by 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are. P is equal to 1 by 4. So now here substitute p value in equation 1. Okay. So 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4q minus 3 equal to 0. So 4 cancel. So here 1 remaining, 4q minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. 4q equal to 2. So q is equal to 2 by 4. So which is equal to 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. So here q is equal to 1 by 2, p equal to 1 by 4. We will substitute here. Okay. 1 divided by 3x plus y is equal to p means 1 by 4. So here cross multiplication again, 3x plus y is equal to 4. Okay. This is third equation. This is third equation. So one more, 1 divided by 3x minus y is equal to q means 1 by 2. So 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is fourth equation. So consider 3 and 4 equations. See here, 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. We will add here. So y gets cancelled. 6x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 6. So x is equal to 1. Okay, this value will substitute here. 3x means 3 1 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. So y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1.